Soumya THM, guest lecturer in Zoology, ADB First Grade College, Harapanalli. I discuss about the genetics in the 6th sem final year students. In that of the genetics, the subtopic is the interactions of the genes. Interactions of the genes means there are different types of the genes are present. Then due to formations of the new individual trait or the characters, that genes is known as an interactions of the genes. Okay, in that of the interactions of the genes is also to subdivides into supplementary genes, complementary genes, epistasis. In that of the epistasis is also to divides into two types. One is the dominant epistasis, another one is the recessive epistasis and lethal genes. Okay, then let us all these factors or the genes discuss about the epistasis. Epistasis means a pair of genes is present at one locus which prevents the expressions of the pair of genes at another locus. Such genes is called inhibiting genes or epistasis. Epistasis is also to divides into two types. One is the dominant epistasis, another one is the recessive epistasis. The dominant epistasis means dominant alleles of the one gene mask the expressions of the alleles of the another genes. That is known as the dominant epistasis. In that of the dominant epistasis, is one of the examples is the plumage color in white leghorn. The phenotypic ratios is 13:3. Dominant epistasis examples: plumage color in leghorn. The phenotypic ratios is 13:3. The parents: homozygous white leghorn as crosses with the another one of the parent is the homozygous white plymouth rock. The genotypes: capital C, capital C, capital I, capital I. Another one of the parent homozygous white plymouth rock. The genotypes is small c, small c, small I, small I. Genotypes means the genetic makeup of an organism, so that is known as the genotypes. Phenotypes means morphological or external characteristics of an organism is called phenotypes. Okay, in that of the genotypes, then the gametes is capital C, capital I. Another one of the parent is small c, small I. These two, the gametes is crosses then due to formations of the F1 generations. In the F1 generations is heterozygous white hybrid. The heterozygous white hybrid, then the genotypes is capital C, small c, capital I, small I. Okay, in next one is in the F2 generations. F2 generations is formed by the self cross of F1 generation, then due to formations of the F2 generations. Then the parents F2 generations is heterozygous white is crosses with the heterozygous white. Then the genotypes is capital C, small c, capital I, small I. Another one of the parent of the heterozygous white is capital C, small c, capital I, small I. Then the gametes of the heterozygous white, then due to formations of the four different types of the gametes. Then the one is capital C, capital I, capital C, small I, small c, capital I, small c, small I. There are four different types of the gametes are formed in the one of the parents. The four different types of the gametes, then due to formations of the checkered boards, then due to formations of the 16 different types of the phenotypes. Then the first one is capital C, capital I, capital C, small I, small c, capital I, small c, small I. It is similar to that of the another one of the gametes. Then in these two gametes with the crosses, then due to formations of the one of the new individuals. Then these two gametes is crosses is capital C, capital C, capital I, capital I. Okay. Next one is capital C, capital C, capital I, small I. Next one is capital C, small c, capital I, capital I. And the last one of the gametes is capital C, small c, capital I, small I. Okay. Next gametes is crosses capital C, capital C, capital I, small I. Next one is capital C, small I, small I. Next one capital C, small c, capital I, small I. Next one capital C, small I, small I. Okay, similar to that, all these different types of the gametes is crosses, then due to formations of the new individual offsprings. Out of 4 different types of the gametes, then due to formations of the 16 different types of the phenotypes. Out of the 16, 2 different types of the genotypes is formed. Then the one is the white, another one is the colored. In the white, which contains the 13, then the colored is the 3. Then the white one is the presence of the gametes or the genes is capital C and capital I. These two it express the white color. Another one is capital C and also capital I. It is also to express for the white color. Then the next one is capital C, capital I, small I. It is also to express for the white color. Another one is the small c, capital I, small I. Then that of the capital I, it is also to indicated or it is expressed for the white color. Okay, out of the 16, then the 13 is white color and the remaining 3 is the colored. In that of the colored, then the genes is capital C, small I. That is the small I. It is the recessive genes. In that of the recessive genes, along with the capital genes or dominant genes that indicated for, then due to formations of the colored. Then another one is the capital C, small I. Then another one of the colored is capital C, small I. Then the small I, it is the recessive genes. That recessive genes along with the one of the dominant genes, then due to formations of the colored. Okay, out of the 16, there are 13 white and then 3 colored. Then the phenotypic ratios of the dominant epistasis is 13:3.